In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Java to MySQL Workbench. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. So, connecting Java to MySQL Workbench isn't a direct process. MySQL Workbench is a graphical tool for managing databases, while a Java application connects to the MySQL database server itself, not the Workbench application. So this connection is going to be made using a JDBC driver. So first, download the necessary driver. You can find it available on the official MySQL dev website, and you will need to download it as a jar file here. So download the platform independent jar file from this website. You will select your operating system, and then once you have it downloaded, you will be able to use this driver in conjunction with your project. So you will need to include the .jar file that you downloaded in your Java project's class path. If you are using an IDE like Visual Code or Eclipse, there are going to be specific ways to do it in each one. On Visual Code, you should download the Java extension pack, and then for each one, you will need to add the jar file. So in this example, it is going to be through Visual Code. You will use the Java projects panel here at the left. You navigate to reference libraries, and then you add the jar file here. Now, if you are doing something in Eclipse, you will need to right-click your project, go to the build path, libraries, add external jars. If you are using Maven, you will need to add a specific dependency, and so on. So you will have to do this differently depending on the IDE that you are using. Once you have the jar file properly added, comes the actual coding part. So you need to use the java.sql package to create a connection. You will need the connection URL, your username, and the password. So this is an example on how a code snippet would look like. So for example, if you are connecting to a local database with the default port and a database named employees, it would look something like this. So you will have the database here, your username, your password, and of course these should be altered depending on your project, and then you will be able to establish a connection, close the resources, and so on. So ensure that MySQL server is running, and you will be able to do this. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make high quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.